Hello, everyone. I'm Bob Ward from Microsoft. Did you know at the past Data Community Summit in 2025, we will be presenters in the new exciting learning pathway, becoming an Azure SQL DBA, advancing the role of the on-premises SQL Server DBA. Now, I couldn't do this all by myself, so I brought in several people with me, including experts from Microsoft and also from the community. The pathway consists of 5 sessions. In each of these areas and throughout our sessions, we will map on-premises SQL Server DBA responsibilities to the Azure SQL DBA, highlighting what responsibilities are new, which ones stay the same, and what is shared or fully delegated to Microsoft. You will walk away with an understanding of the relevant DBA skills you need to evolve as an Azure SQL DBA. Here's what you're going to learn in each of these sessions.
Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Lipava from Microsoft. In our first session to kick it off, we'll introduce the learning pathway to you. Along with John and me, you will learn about one of my favorite topics, high availability, business continuity, and disaster recovery across all of Azure SQL products, SQL Server in Azure VMs, Azure SQL Database, and Managed Instance. Now more from John.
Hi, I'm John Morehouse. In this first pathway session, we're going to look at things for high availability and disaster recovery. We're going to look at things like geo-replication, automatic failover groups, backups, and look at things that you as a DBA are responsible for and what Microsoft might be responsible for.
Hi, I'm Joey D'Antoni. In a second session of this track, you're going to learn about security and how it works around databases, both in Azure and on-prem even. You're going to learn about compliance, authentication, and connectivity, both from the perspective from an on-premises DBA who might now be supporting databases in Azure, or an Azure DBA whose full-time job is working in the cloud.
Hi, I'm Pam Lahoud. And in the third session, we're going to talk about performance tuning, everyone's favorite topic. Yay! We'll talk about things like automatic plan correction and other intelligent query processing features, monitoring, query store, and how things are the same as what you do on-prem and how things are different, and all the new tools available to you when you move into the cloud.
Hi, I'm Flat Monica. I'll be joining Pam in this important session about performance tuning. We'll also be talking about how to optimize with resource right sizing, choosing the appropriate storage type, and configuring file structures specific to the Azure environment. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Erin Salato, and along with Davide Mari, we're going to talk about copilots and AI in Azure. So we'll talk about one of my personal favorites, SSMS, along with other tools like Visual Studio Code and the Azure portal, and using Copilot within those experiences, as well as AI experiences like vector search.
Our fifth and final session will be very special. It will be an open panel session with all speakers of the learning pathway participating. You will have an opportunity to ask the panel of industry-leading experts any questions you might have. We will explore new skill development opportunities helping you excel as an Azure SQL DBA champion. This session will provide a great opportunity to connect with industry professionals and have a great discussion. Please bring your questions.
Join us in Seattle
for PASS Summit 2025.
We look forward to seeing you there.
We'll see you there.
Can't wait to see y'all there.
And 3D, Monica.